It's the last day of March, and if you follow us on Instagram, you know that we canceled our reservations where we were at the beach, and we are home because of the coronavirus. And everyone knows it's affected the whole world. I don't think there's a single person that is not affected by the virus. So we decided to do what's best, and we are home and we are sheltering at home. Since we're home, we decided that we're probably going to be here for several months since everything is shut down. So we got back in the garden yesterday and we'll probably plant a couple things. So let me just show you what I did yesterday. I'm trying to get things cleaned up around here. The garden was a disaster. So on this left half already, I've been spreading out some of the straw, which is great for ground cover to help keep the weeds down and the grass down. So this part's all done here, and then I laid these out yesterday. They're pretty wet because this bale was sitting out for several weeks, months. So I need to spread those out a little bit today. And then this half over here, I haven't touched yet. So that'll be part of today's project. And I have another dry bale of straw that I had sitting covered. So that'll go out nicely today. And it's a gorgeous day, just being on lockdown. So it's a good thing to just get out and be outside, stay away from everyone, and work in the garden. This little plot in the middle, if you watch us, you know, is our asparagus, and we already have tiny asparagus coming up that I noticed yesterday. Here's a cute little tiny one, and there's about 6 little ones that came up. So added a little layer of fresh dirt on there, not too much, and give everything a nice drink. And my garden helper, yeah, look, raven. Do you hear the raven? What's a raven say? That's right. Ha, ha, ha. Perfect table to start our seedlings. Here is a lot of our seed starters. Show them your seeds. Look up here. Show them. These. There's a lot of our seed starters that we had hanging around so we can start our seeds. And where we live here in California, we'll still have snow all the way up until the beginning of May. And so we'll get some of these seeds started inside for a couple weeks before we go put them in the garden. Let me see what you got. What are we going to put in there? Seeds. Little plants. We're going to make some vegetables so we can eat them. Yeah, vegetables. got all of the straw down in the garden. So that'll definitely help keep down the weeds and all the grass that likes to grow voluntarily. And now we can get working on the garden beds, get them cleaned up and prepped and ready, but probably won't plant anything for a couple weeks. I'll start some inside because we get snow here all the way into the beginning of May potentially, so that's what we're doing. Okay, this way. Go to the garden. Whoops! Get your basket. Go to the garden. Yeah. Snakes will bite you. You don't touch snakes. Hi, baby. What you doing? So this garden box is the one we made last season, but it was too long for the spot that we wanted in. So we took it out from right over here, because this, obviously we're getting everything ready for this season. And we had to cut off probably a foot off the ends. Then we cleaned up this corner over here, and it's going to go right here. Well, that fit perfect. And now we have one more garden bed on the inside. So, super excited. Now we just need to fill it up, get it ready. And we weeded out this one this morning. It's looking much better, getting closer to planting. We have two lonely little onions from last season. They're still hanging around. We got this one all weeded out. Same with this one. Left. Get this all weeded. Ready. This compost has been growing for probably the past year, and it is beautiful, amazing dirt now. Perfect for us to fill up this empty garden bed. And anything that's not composted, it will compost down. It's amazing. Beautiful compost. Our garden is gonna love it. Yay! Ready, go! Excellent. Gonna have a happy garden. I will. Hi. Driving in the backyard. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to follow us on social media and check out our next videos. We did something crazy this week and can't wait to share it with everyone. Catch you later.